How to change the background on a Roblox computer. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to change the background on a Roblox computer. Firstly, you have to open up your web browser. Then, search for the web Chrome store. Now simply click on this link. After that, click on the search bar and type in stylish right here. Next, go to the extension page. After that, select this extension and then click on the Add to Chrome button on the top right side. Then click Add Extension in this window. Once done, simply go to your Roblox application. After that, click on the extension icon at the top of your page. Now simply pin this extension. Now as you can see here, there's a sidebar on the Roblox homepage. You can also pick directly from there. Next, you can also click on the See All Styles option. Here, you have a bunch of different backgrounds that you can use. I'm going to select this one. Next, click on the Install Style button. You can simply click, check it out, and it will take you directly to Roblox. As you can see, you will now have this background. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.